Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sam's Biology. So recently we got a news that CBSE has reduced 30% of the syllabus for the session 2021, right? So my dear friends, let's see what is the difference between the previous syllabus and the syllabus after reduction by 30%. Okay, so this is only for the session 2021 in view of the pandemic COVID-19. So, my dear friends, here let's start how the syllabus looks after the reduction. Okay, so all the different units are there, but let's see what is the difference between the new and the previous one and what are the different topics that are reduced. Okay, in chapter 1 for class 11 I am telling first, right? Okay, class 11 biology. Actually, from class 9 to 12, all the syllabus are reduced by 30%. So we will discuss about the class 11 biology syllabus. The first chapter is the living world. This one is the reduced one, deleted portion of class 11, right? So the living world, in the living world, this exactly this region is there in the new syllabus, and the taxonomy, right? My dear friends, taxonomy and systematics, tools for study taxonomy, museums, zoological parks, herbaria, botanical gardens, etc. are removed from the living world. Okay. Next chapter is biological classification. From biological classification, nothing is reduced. From the third chapter, plant kingdom. From the third chapter, this is the new syllabus and the reduced version. We will skip which different topics. Angiosperms. About angiosperms we need not study for this particular session, right? So in the syllabus now only the algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperms are there. We need not study about angiosperm for this particular session. Next is animal kingdom. So if you will look at animal kingdom, there is no any reduction in the syllabus, all equal to the previous syllabus, right? So let's move on to unit 2, structural organization in animals and plants. Here morphology of flowering plants is the 5th chapter, and the deleted portion from here is morphology and modification, morphology of different parts of flowering plants, root, stem, leaf, fruit and seed. This is very important and it is now not present in the new syllabus. And Fabaceae family, you don't have to go through it now, but you have to go through in any of these two, Solanaceae and Liliaceae family, right? So morphology, there is a great reduction in the chapter 5, morphology of flowering plants. Okay, next, structural organization in animals, chapter 7. If we will look at the deleted part, these are the different parts which are deleted from this. So anatomy of flowering plant is totally absent. Yes, you can see here chapter 6 is totally absent, right? So chapter 6 is totally deleted. Chapter 7, from chapter 7, the digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous and reproductive system, okay, of insect like cockroach was totally deleted. Okay, so you don't have to read about cockroach now, only animal tissue, different types of animal tissue, their functions. Okay, next, unit 3, cell, the unit of life. So you have to go through this chapter 8 because there is no any deletion from chapter 8 and 9. You can see here 8 and 9, cell, the unit of life and biomolecules are there as it was before. But cell cycle and cell division, you can see here cell cycle and cell division. Okay, chapter 11, only chapter 11 is changed. This one is same, chapter 10, chapter 9 and chapter 8 same as it was before, right? So unit 3, cell structure and function, exactly as before. But if we will move to unit 4, plant physiology, important parts are not now. You can see transport in plants is no more there in the syllabus. Mineral nutrition is also not there. So these two chapter along with the plant growth and development. Okay, so here you can see photosynthesis in higher plants. You have to prepare for this. Respiration in plants, yes, it is there, but from chapter 15 plant growth and development, you have to only go through oxygen, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene and ABA, but the other part like the seed germination etc are deleted from the syllabus, right? Let's move on to human physiology. So human physiology, the digestion nutrition chapter is no more there, you can see. So the from human physiology chapter 16 digestion and absorption is no more there, locomotion and movement is no more there, so these are deleted. Neural control and coordination, from these parts the reflex action is not in the syllabus for 2021. You have to study what in human physiology? You have breathing and exchange of gases, you have body fluid and circulation, excretory products and their elimination as it was there completely, and locomotion and movement. In locomotion and movement you can see here most of the part is not there, but only you have to focus on skeletal muscle, contractile proteins and muscle contraction, mechanism of muscle contraction. In neural control and coordination chapter 21 you can see reflex action is no more there. So here neural control and coordination you have to study the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, visceral nervous system, generation and conduction of nerve impulse, right? Nerve impulse conduction, and you have to study about brain. But the reflex action part is now deleted from the syllabus. So this is the new syllabus, how it looks for class 11. So let's start from the beginning again. Let's look in brief. Okay, so you have to go through the living world, biological classification 1, 2, chapter 3 plant kingdom. Some part is deleted, that is the angiosperm. Animal kingdom is there. In the unit 2 morphology of flowering plant and the structural organization in animal, the animal tissue is only there. Cell, the unit of life, biomolecules, cell cycle and cell division. From the plant physiology, photosynthesis, respiration and plant growth and development are there. In human physiology, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluid and circulation, excretory products and elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, chemical coordination and regulation, right? But the deleted parts we can see here, very important parts, and 30% is reduced by the CBSE. So the living world, plant kingdom, morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in animals, transport in plants, mineral nutrition, plant growth and development. In human physiology, the most important chapters like the digestion and absorption, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, the reflex action particularly deleted, right? So let's move on to the class 12 syllabus of biology. How changes you can see in class 12 syllabus, here are the changes. So my dear friends, in class 12 syllabus, the chapter 1 is no more there. You can see here the chapter 1 is totally completely deleted. Reproduction in organism, you don't have to appear in the board examination, right? So all asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, budding, binary fission, sporulation, gemule formation, fragmentation, vegetative propagation in plants, everything you don't have to go through this for the boards, right? But chapter 2 is there, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction chapter 3 is also there, chapter 4 reproductive health is also there, right? So let's move on to the next part, the unit 7, genetics and evolution. In genetics and evolution, my dear friends, evolution you cannot see in the new syllabus here. Evolution is totally absent. Only the principle of inheritance and variation, that is heredity and variation, and molecular basis of inheritance are there. In the deleted part you can see that the whole chapter of evolution is now deleted from the new syllabus. Okay, next one, unit 8. Okay, unit 8, biology and human welfare. Chapter 8 is there, chapter 10 is there. You can see the absence of chapter 9, which is in the deleted part, that is strategies for enhancement of food production. You don't have to go through this for the board examination. Animal husbandry, plant breeding, tissue culture, single cell protein, this portion is totally removed from the new syllabus. Likewise, if we'll go to the next part, that is 9, unit 9, biotechnology and its application, you can see chapter 11, chapter 12 are there. So there is no any change in this unit, that is biotechnology and its application. You have to go through this in detail as per the old syllabus. Let's go to the last unit, that is 10th unit, ecology and environment. Here before there were 4 different chapters, but now you can see only 2, that is chapter 13, organisms and population, and chapter 15, biodiversity and its conservation. The other 2 chapters, chapter 14 and chapter 16, are totally removed, my dear friends. So ecosystem and environmental issues, these 2 important chapters are removed from the new syllabus of class 12 biology for the session 2021. So this is how the CBSE modified the syllabus to reduce the burden on the students, as the classes are not normal now due to COVID-19 situations in our country. Okay, so you can look, chapter 1 is no more there. Okay, then chapter 5, chapter 6 are there, but chapter 7 is totally removed. That means evolution is removed from the new syllabus. Chapter 8 is there, but 9 is removed. 10, 11, 12 there. 13 is there, but 14 and 16 are again removed. So you have to prepare accordingly. This is the deleted part. You can take screenshot from this also. Okay, so remove these different parts and prepare for the boards. It will be easier for you because 30% of the total syllabus was removed by CBSE. So best of luck, my dear friends, for your preparation for the boards, and prepare well, because now less burden is there. Okay, you can secure very good marks in this new syllabus. So thank you very much for watching, my dear friends. This is all for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the like button. Comment below if you have any doubts regarding this new syllabus. Thank you.